teams that collaborate frequently with external clients, contractors, or partners. With Slack's flexible permissions, you can ensure your external partners have access to just the right information, keeping your workspace both secure and collaborative. Let's dive right in. First, if you want your external partners to access specific channels only, you'll want to invite them as either single or multi-channel guests. These options are perfect for maintaining security while still collaborating efficiently. To begin, you'll first need to open Slack and go to your workspace. Click on the workspace name in the top left corner, which will reveal a menu. From here, navigate to Settings and Administration and then select Manage Members. Once you're in the Manage Members section, you'll see an option that says Invite People. This is where you can start inviting your external partners to your workspace. Click on Invite People and a new window will pop up asking for the email address of the person you wish to invite. Enter the partner's email address. This is a crucial step, and double-checking the spelling of the email can prevent any future communication hiccups. Next, it's time to set their role. When you're in the role selection, you'll find two guest options, single channel guest and multi-channel guest. If your partner only needs access to a single channel, select single channel guest. However, if they need access to several channels, choose multi-channel guest. After selecting the appropriate role, you will then be prompted to choose the specific channels they can join. Carefully select the channels relevant to their role to ensure they have the resources they need but nothing more. This targeted access is particularly beneficial for contractors or clients who only need to participate in or view certain threads. Once you've selected the channels, it's all set. Just click Send the invite and you're done. Your external partner will receive an email invitation to join your Slack workspace with the specified permissions. That's a wrap on our guide to adding external partners in Slack. By controlling access on a per-channel basis, you're creating a secure yet flexible environment that can adapt to the varied needs of your team and partners. This capability ensures that everyone has the information they need without compromising workspace confidentiality. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more insightful tutorials. Happy collaborating!